Selling a home in probate can feel overwhelming. Court documents, signatures, family discussions, it's a lot, but it doesn't have to be chaotic. There's a clear process, and when the right professionals work together, it moves forward with dignity and precision. Step 1, confirm authority. The court officially appoints a personal representative, sometimes called an executor, to manage the estate. That's the person who can sign listing agreements and closing documents. Step 2, consult the attorney. The attorney ensures the sale complies with Minnesota's probate laws. They handle filings, notices, and timelines. Their structure keeps everything legitimate. Step 3, assess the property. Together, we review the home's condition, value, and readiness. We balance respect for memories with smart updates that actually matter. Step 4, prepare and list. We coordinate cleaning, minor repairs, photography, and marketing, always with court timelines in mind. No fire sales. Every home deserves a proper presentation. Step 5, negotiate and close. Offers are reviewed with both the family and the attorney. Once approved, closing proceeds like a normal transaction, except that proceeds are distributed by the estate. Every family's situation is different. Some need time, others need speed. What matters most is coordination. When the attorney manages the law and we manage the logistics, families find peace, knowing everything is handled correctly. Selling a probate home isn't about rushing a sale. It's about honoring a life while moving a family forward. With the right structure, the right attorney, and a steady hand, it can be done beautifully. I'm Geoffrey Serdar with Serdar & Partners Real Estate Services, and this is Lake Minnetonka Probate, where we simplify the complex, honor every story, and guide families home.